This is Shuwen Shi from Team Alpha. Today I'm going to analyze the San Francisco Airport annual customer service data. First, let me introduce you the backgrounds of what we're going to study today. San Francisco Airport is an international airport which is in airport operation industry and provides service to passengers and communities. With nearly 58 million guests traveling through the airport each year, the entire team is focused on providing the best level of service and care, being on the leading edge for airport environmental and social sustainability initiatives, all while operating successful and efficient business. Therefore, gathering, analyzing, and modeling on the annual customer experience service data is very important. The passenger dataset contains data of customer demographics and satisfaction with airport facilities, services, and initiatives. The typical executive interested in this analysis are the chief marketing officer in bringing some answers and insights from the data to company executives to find out what is keeping them from reaching their number one of objectives and what can be done to improve performance. Based on this analysis, company operation executive would also prioritize improvements projects, and financial executives would arrange their investment in facilities and services in next stage. Also, SFO management would evaluate its status where they stand in 2017 and gain insights for further overall management goals in strengthening the ability to serve their passengers, customers, and communities. The SFO's objectives are to be the rank number one by passengers as an international gateway airport in the class and to be the airport of choice for premium passengers. Their goal is to improve the airport performance and passenger experience. We have discovered that the overall rating of SFO Airport is above average. However, only 24.7% passengers have outstanding experience, and there are still 17% passengers give 3 points or even below. This result does not match the objectives of the CMO that to be the rank number one, as well as to be the choice of for premium passengers. So it is important to find out what can be done to improve the facilities and service of the airport, what is the rating of each category, and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the airport. So we're going to use descriptive statistics and graphical displays, explore customer satisfaction ranking of airport performance, and identify factors that appear to influence the airport performance. We will also use exploratory data analysis to find out the relationship between the customer satisfaction ranking and the airport facilities and service to better improve premium customer experience. So to start off our analysis, we will look on answering these three basic questions. The first one is in 2007, what is the overall rating of SFO airport existing performance among passengers? The second is in 2017, what categories of facilities and services ranked the highest and lowest among SFO airport passengers? The third one is during 2006 and 2017, which category of facilities and services of the airport increased the most? And then let's go step to the technical parts to look deeper into the data. We use the data of 2016 and 17 containing data pertaining to customer demographic and satisfaction with airport facilities, services, and initiatives. The dataset contains information about 2,962 customers' data in 2016 and 2,831 customer data in 2017. Firstly, we combine the dataset of these 2 years. Then we clean the both of the dataset, including deleting the missing data, unneeded variables, and outliers. Secondly, we recorded some variables in order to make it easier to analyze. For example, for variable gender, the original code was 1 male, 2 female, 3 other, 0 for blank and multiple responses, and we recorded as male 1, female 2, other 3, blank 0, and multiple 4. Also, we did the same record method for age and income. The data filter provides a method for exploring the distribution of one variable across the levels of another variable. For example, we can use the data filter to show the distribution of customer demographic in each year. As for the conclusion and recommendations, we will come to this later after I analyze the dataset. So firstly, we want to look at the overall rating of SFO Airport existing performance among passengers from 0 to 6. So the distribution of overall rating is shown in exhibit. We can see that the maximum rating is 6. The average rating is around 3.95. The medium rating is 4. The standard deviation is 1.04. Other useful summary statistics are the quartiles. The first quartile is 4, the third quartile is 5. However, 10% customers have rated 3, which lower the average overrating rating. Next, we want to see which variable impacts the most on the overall rating. We figure out that the cleanliness has the most significant influence on the overall rating. Whether there are clear sight and directions inside the airport also has a great impact. Furthermore, customers care about the information on the screen and the food quality. On the other hand, whether it is convenient to find the airport is the least important factor, and store, parking, Wi-Fi is not as important as other factors. Once we have an overall understanding of the overall rating, we want to figure out which categories of facilities and services rank the highest and lowest. And we use a box plot. As we can see from the exhibit, we can see that the long-term parking ranked the highest in 2017 with a mean of 4.983. Rental ranked the second with a mean of 4.85. However, gate rates ranked the lowest. As SFO did quite job in long-term parking, airport rental car center, AirTrain, and parking facilities, it still need to improve customer experience in transportation and retail stores. Lastly, we want to figure out which category of facilities and services increased the most during this 2 years. So we make a tabulate of mean of each airport facility and services. Also, we make a new file of the changed mean between 2016 and 2017 to see the improvements that SFO made. We also build a histogram respectively with this 2 years to see the results of changes clearly. After that, we calculate the difference of mean during this 2 years. Then we build a histogram to see the results directly. We can see that the category that increased the most over this 2 years is the efficiency of passing through security and screening, with an increase of 1.7%. The second highest are the cleanliness and finding the airport, with an increase of 0.019. The categories that greatly decrease are the accessibility of information booth for both baggage claim and departure area. Long-term parking lot shuttle also has decreased a lot in 2017. So based on the data and graphic we acquired, we could figure out 3 business rules as following. The first one is cleanliness, signs, screens, foods has the most significant impact on the overall customer rating on the airport services and facilities. The second one is finding your way around airport. Store, park, Wi-Fi has the least impact on the overall rating. The third one is SFO does a great job at offering long-term parking as well as rental service. while gate rate aspect is quite far from the satisfaction. So on the whole, the overall rating is better than that in 2016. More detailed cleanliness, signs, screens, and foods has the most impact on the customer rating in SFO. Regarding to the rating comparison between these 2 years, the customer rating on the information booth and parking decreased significantly. So the first recommendation that we have is that SFO should focus on cleanliness, signs, screens, and food to improve customer experience and further airport performance. The second one is that SFO should pay more attention to the information booth and park in the next year to help achieve the company's objectives and keep competitive in the airport industry.